Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share a simple and natural fertilizer that works very well for bougainvillea plants. This fertilizer is easy to make, uses common ingredients, and can help your plant grow stronger, produce more buds, and bloom with beautiful, vibrant flowers. Before I show you the step-by-step process, I'd like to invite you to watch a short time-lapse video of the preparation and the results. This quick preview will give you a better idea of how effective this natural fertilizer can be for bougainvillea. I hope it inspires you and gives you useful ideas for your own garden. Let's get started. I use ripe papaya and used coffee grounds because each ingredient offers unique benefits for bougainvillea plants. Ripe papaya is rich in natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. When used in organic fertilizer, it helps support beneficial microorganisms in the soil, improves nutrient availability, and encourages healthy plant growth. The potassium content also helps promote stronger flowering and more vibrant blooms. Used coffee grounds are a good source of organic matter and contain nitrogen as well as small amounts of other essential nutrients. When added to the soil in moderation, they help improve soil structure, increase moisture retention, and create a healthier environment for root development. Coffee grounds also support beneficial soil microbes, which can improve the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. When combined, ripe papaya and used coffee grounds create a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer that helps bougainvillea grow stronger, develop a healthy root system, produce more flower buds, and display beautiful, long-lasting blooms. This is a simple, affordable, and environmentally friendly way to recycle natural materials while helping your garden thrive. Next, add about 50 grams of sugar. You can adjust the amount depending on how much papaya you are using. The sugar helps speed up the fermentation process and provides energy for beneficial microorganisms. Then, add a small amount of used coffee grounds and mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients are evenly combined. Once the mixture is ready, place it in a plastic bag and tie it tightly. Or even better, transfer it to a container with a lid. Keeping the mixture sealed helps create the ideal conditions for fermentation while preventing insects and contaminants from getting in. Store the container in a cool, shaded place for about 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, the ingredients will gradually break down and release valuable nutrients. As the fermentation process progresses, beneficial microorganisms will multiply, creating a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. When the mixture develops a sweet fermented smell and the ingredients have softened significantly, it is ready to use. This homemade fertilizer can then be applied around the base of your bougainvillea to help promote healthy growth, stronger roots, more flower buds, and brighter, longer-lasting blooms. Before using it, make sure to dilute the solution with water. Try not to make it too concentrated, as the plant may not be able to absorb all the nutrients. And a mixture that is too strong can sometimes stress or damage the roots. If the solution is a little more diluted, that's perfectly fine. The plant will still receive the nutrients it needs and can absorb them more safely. In my experience, it's always better to make the mixture a little too weak than too strong. Once diluted, simply water it around the base of the plant. With regular use, you'll notice healthier growth, more flower buds, and even more beautiful blooms over time.
For the foliage, I use used coffee grounds mixed with water because they provide natural nutrients that help keep the leaves healthy and support overall plant growth. Before spraying, I always strain the mixture through a fine cloth or filter to remove any remaining coffee particles. This helps prevent the spray nozzle from becoming clogged and allows the solution to spread evenly over the leaves. Make sure the mixture is well diluted before use. It is always better to make it a little weaker rather than too strong. Then simply spray it evenly over the foliage, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon. With regular use, this simple natural treatment can help maintain healthy foliage and encourage stronger, more vigorous growth. For the foliage, I use used coffee grounds mixed with water because they provide natural nutrients that help keep the leaves healthy and support overall plant growth. Before spraying, I always strain the mixture through a fine cloth or filter to remove any remaining coffee particles. This helps prevent the spray nozzle from becoming clogged and allows the solution to spread evenly over the leaves. Make sure the mixture is well diluted before use. It is always better to make it a little weaker rather than too strong. Then simply spray it evenly over the foliage, preferably in the early morning or late afternoon. With regular use, this simple natural treatment can help maintain healthy foliage and encourage stronger, more vigorous growth.